Once upon a time, in a land filled with magic and wonder, there lived a young girl named Mia. One sunny afternoon, Mia followed a hidden path covered in sparkling flowers and glowing mushrooms. She stumbled upon a beautiful enchanted forest, where mythical creatures roamed freely. Mia found a magnificent unicorn lying by a shimmering pond. The unicorn had a radiant white coat, but something was missing: her horn. "I have lost my silver horn," said Luna. "Without it, I can't perform my magic or protect the forest." "I'll help you find your horn, Luna," Mia promised. Their first stop was the ancient tree of wisdom, who advised them to seek the crystal cave in the heart of the enchanted mountains. They encountered friendly forest spirits who provided guidance and magical items. They also faced obstacles, like a tricky goblin who tried to lead them astray, and a river that could only be crossed by solving an ancient riddle. Finally, they reached the crystal cave, which sparkled with countless crystals, casting a mesmerizing glow. Inside, they faced a labyrinth of mirrors. Mia used a magical feather to navigate through the illusions. At the heart of the cave, they found the silver horn resting on a crystal pedestal. Luna reclaimed her horn, and as soon as it was back in place, her magic was restored. Mia and Luna returned to the enchanted forest, where the creatures celebrated their success. "Thank you, Mia," said Luna. "You have shown great courage and kindness. Our forest is safe once more." And so, Mia returned to her village with tales of wonder and magic, forever remembered as the girl who helped a unicorn restore her silver horn. The enchanted forest thrived, protected by Luna's magic and the enduring friendship of a brave young girl. Moral of the story: the importance of courage, compassion, and the power of friendship in overcoming challenges and achieving great things.